So first thing is water, right? Get some water, put on stove, turn stove on, let it heat. Oh shucks, see, this pot have a hole. I burned it today. See what Facebook does? I was I was on Facebook and I put some concoction to warm up in the pot and I forgot about it and it burned and now there's a hole in the bottom. So new pot with water. Mess up the stove, who gonna clean? And since this is broken, I guess garbage. All right, let's start all over again. Water, ginger to peel and chop up. Peel the ginger, boy, peel the ginger. Somebody make a chutney music out of that now. Peel the ginger, peel the ginger. Okay, ginger almost finished peel. Just getting rid of the one spot. There we go. Get rid of that. So you gaff with me now. Come up with a tune for the chutney song. Peel the ginger, cut the ginger, throw the ginger in boiling water. You're supposed to cut it like this, right? Keep your finger away. It's a little bit too thick, but it should work. All right, so we got hot water. One of them get away. There we go. Water is about boiling. See how the water is about to boil? That's when you know it's boiling, right? When bubble and stuff happens. Now with this other utensil here, one of my really good friend said to take some cloves and burn it. Really burn it. And you know, just to counterbalance it, I take some clove and put it in the water to boil. Okay, what else? So this guy gonna be burning and we'll check it out soon. Wow, I did it. Look, water is boiling. I'm boiling water with ginger and there's some cloves inside. And to please everybody, here we have is cinnamon sticks, because somebody's gonna tell me to throw that in there too. That's a roaring boil. Let's turn it down a bit and simmer the pot down, and so it'll steep nice. I think I'm gonna add some more water. That's looking good. Okay, what else? Some people say lemon, but what I do, I'm a smart Burbician village guy. I got one of these from the dollar store. See that? And I squeeze my lemon and put it in here so it's ready to go. Margarita. You see it? Margarita, tequila, cold medicine, make my own. And the next thing is honey. I kind of prefer honey with royal jelly. I was told the queen used this. Royal jelly is from the queen bee, so there's not a lot. And it's supposed to keep you young. My cloves are burning. They are smoking. I don't know how much to burn them, but I'll let it burn for a little bit. Ooh, I think it's burning too much. I don't want it. It's pretty black, so turn that off. I'm gonna turn the fan on, so put your fingers in your ears. So now, to add the burnt clove, this is like chowking dal. I got a little spoon, a little bit in there. See how that'll work. And we get our honey with royal jelly. Put them in. I have a tea bag. I'm gonna put that at the end, and I'm gonna put the lemon juice towards the end. I don't know if the heat will mess up the nutrition in the lemon juice. You know what? I'll put some hot water in here to get every little bit of this royal jelly. It's not a cheap thing, so get every little bit. Ooh, you see? Never really close something tight when you put hot water in it and you're shaking it around. There we go. See? Clean. Every drop. I got my money's worth. Now it's time for the tea. I've got some licorice root. It's good for my blood type. I am kind of a little bit fussy with what I eat. So licorice root grows in there. Ribus. This is not a tea leaf. Ribus is from Africa, I believe, South Africa, and it's barks, tree bark. So it's good for me. I don't know about other people. I have chamomile, I have green tea, I have peppermint, and stuff. Ooh, roaring boil. Turn that down. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Hold up, hold up. I don't want to spill again. Calm down. Now let's try the lemon juice. This is juice of 3 lemons. So I'm not gonna pour all. I'm just gonna pour maybe 1.5, and the rest, whenever I take a cup of this witch's brew, I will pour right on top. You know, like the alcoholics do, they pour rum on top. I'll pour some lemon juice just on top of the teacup to get it. Oh, so nice. And so what, am I missing anything? I have some leftover some black cake that I made for Christmas. Throw it in. Like they said. Oh my God. Oh, I smell that rum and sherry. Mm-mm. You can have it all. Wow. So, we have made a special brew. We have made a chutney song with the word ginger in it, and 2 other words, peel the. So it's peel the ginger. And hey, gam ginger, gam fire. Oh All right. See, we're getting somewhere. By the time this guy finished steeping, we'll have a whole new chutney song brewing. Um, I guess that's for my stupidness this evening. I'm gonna try this stuff, and if it works, but but I still want you guys to send me a ticket. I want to go to Guyana or Trinidad or Jamaica. It's nice and warm, and I bet you as soon as I step out from the plane, all my cold and cough will just disappear. So I check out your bank account and thing, no man. There would be enough there. I know it. I know you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. So please send me where it's 80 degrees plus. I will be forever grateful whenever I see you. At first I'll avoid you, but then, if I happen to bounce up with you here or there, I will say thank you. I wouldn't be ungrateful. Not like them other people who will beg for money. All right? Wow, look how nice that look. Yep. Oh shucks, you know what? All these things, I don't have a strainer. Um, I hope you don't mind if I borrow yours. I'm gonna send a little by over if I borrow you, stranger. You stranger. To borrow your strainer. Okay. When a little boy come and he there gate and he say inside, auntie, uncle send me for borrow a strainer. Not get a big one, It's those little one kind of like that fit in a cup, you know. Like a cup like this, I can fit it in and, you know, throw the water in. This thing better work because if it doesn't, if you think I'm complaining now, you wait. If this thing don't work, I come out your house for my money. My money for go south. You make me talk so much. I forgot this. This is pink Himalayan rock salt. So I want to call upon the gods of the Himalaya to come and bless this witch's brew that I am making so it can eliminate my cold and my cough and my poorness and make sure money overflow in my bank account and somebody send me a ticket for go Guyana, Trinidad, or Jamaica. Um, hey, Barbados is nice too, or Cayman, or Bahamas, and stuff like that. Um, for this to be complete, I was told to say Swaha or Amen or Allah Akbar or something like that. Yep, all the gods from all over the world. I hope I didn't put too much salt. The lemon and the sweetness from the honey should kind of balance things out. Let's hope. Thank you for joining me today to see how I make the thing that you wanted me to make. Voila. So let's cover them nice and tight. Turn this off. Let it sit and meditate and be blessed so it can cure me